Hi, I'm Matt Wise from West Marine, and today we're going to be doing a little restoration work on this Vanguard 15. It's really important to clean the boat for the obvious reasons of getting it cleaned up, but also to make sure that everything's in working order. Today we're going to be working on restoring the finish of the hull, and we've already done a little bit of work on the stripe down below, restoring some of the color to the red there, and we're going to start working on the deck. When we're working with this, we're using some Meguiar's hull cleaner. What I like to do is take a microfiber cloth, fold it into force, apply a little bit of the Meguiar's finish on the rag. It's always good to use a little bit at a time and work in a small area. I'm going to work in a circular manner, and I'm going to make the coverage all the way to the edge here. And what I'm doing is I'm actually rubbing off the oxidation off the fiberglass. And there's some abrasive liquid in here that helps get rid of all that oxidation. And as I scrub, it removes more of it and shines up the finish. So we're working in small circular motions. We're going to wait till we feel that there's little resistance. You'll feel drag when it's wet, but as soon as it starts to dry, you'll notice that the fibers or the actual cloth moves smoother across the hull. And this way you know that it's starting to dry and you're removing all the oxidation. A lot of times you can notice it by seeing the oxidation on the actual rag itself, so you know it's working. And if you were able to see this in the sun, you would see that you have a better shine, a little more luster to the hull. It's great to do this in cloudy conditions or in the shade on cooler days. The sun really does not work very well for this, so you do not want to do this in direct sunlight. So we're working on the bow of the boat right now, and we're going to work our way all the way back. We're going to pick the starboard side first, and then we're going to move over to the port side.
Thanks for watching. Be the first to see new videos. Keep us on your radar by clicking subscribe. And for more product videos, tips, and how-to guides, check out our advice and how-to section on westmarine.com.